back and click on the up arrow, we can see a representation of that camera, and we can also mirror the camera. Now, the advantage of being able to mirror a camera is useful, as far as I'm concerned, if you've got multiple cameras or maybe you're sharing a screen. One of the big tips that I like to drop in on content streaming is that your face on the camera should always be looking in the direction of what you're either talking about or talking to. So in this case, for example, if we had, and we'll have a look at screen sharing next, but if we had a screen here, then Abby looking into that screen would make sense. If, however, the screen that we were sharing was on the left-hand side, then maybe flip the mirror so that Abby's looking at the screen there. Or if Abby has a guest, then Abby will be talking to those guests on the left. Now, just to illustrate this in a bit more detail, I'm pulling up this video, which is a recent Stadia Rokk show that I do on a Tuesday on my channel, and you'll see here how I've positioned myself not only to the top right so that if anybody's getting affected by the logo, it's me, but I'm also looking into my guests rather than looking out at my audience or looking off to the right hand side away from them. It creates an illusion that people are all together in the same space. And I even see some of the biggest game streamers and content creators committing this cardinal sin with their little camera down the bottom left-hand corner, looking out to the left and the game behind them. It's a psychological thing, it's a subconscious thing, but you will notice it. And now that I've pointed it out, you'll also notice it even more.